Alright YouTube, here's an update video on the 1991 Colorado Red Jeep Grand Wagoneer. If you look back through my older videos, you will see this Jeep, I think about a year ago or so. It's the one that I used to own that my friend bought back, and it was all beat up and rusty. And he's pretty much just about finished restoring it. Has a 6-inch lift, 35s. Of course, all new paint, all new vinyl wood. He's just about done. He's got to reinstall, of course, the trim around the wood, and then there's just a few minor bits and pieces. It is beautiful. Totally rust free now. It's not full of Bondo. Wherever there was rust is new metal now. If you remember, it used to have the wrong interior in it. It's now a 91 inside again. Looks amazing. So I'll do another video when it's totally finished here shortly.